The Soweto Games Golf Tournament brought together amateur golfers, rising talent and community leaders in a celebration of sport and township pride. The event forms part of the broader Soweto Games initiative, promoting youth development, healthy living and stronger community participation through golf. The organizers say that the tournament continues to grow as the platform for nurturing local talent and inspiring the next generation.
I-Soweto Games Golf Tournament nebiqhutyelwa eSoweto Country Club iye yatsala umdla kubadlali begalufa nakubathandi balo mdlalo. Le tumente inxalenye yemisitho eliqela ephantsi kweSoweto Games nenjongo yazo ukuphuhlisa ulutsha nokukhuthaza indlela efanelekileyo yokuphila ngezemidlalo. Abaququzeleli bale tumente bathi eli liqonga lokuba abadlali begalufa abasakhulayo babonise ngezakhono zabo.
Golf is very important as a code in sports. So we really want to make sure that as the Soweto Games Foundation, we bring it to the attention of the youth, the kids, both young girls and boys here in Soweto to participate in the code of golf. You never know, we could be having our next Tiger Woods coming out of Soweto if we get to expose our kids to come and frequent the Soweto Country Club, play the sport of golf and practice and get the parents involved.
The people gathered here for the Soweto Games. This is the golf leg of the games and Soweto Country Club is proudly hosting it. I also want to take the opportunity to thank the community for coming out, supporting us, the sponsors that are here today to make it a great success, and Soweto Games is something that will just grow and grow every year. Well, it's an annual thing. It's the annual Soweto Games. This is the golf leg. There's about, I think, 20 or more sporting codes that's part of the games. We are hosting the golf one here, which is very exciting.
Being a part of the Soweto Games Foundation was a no-brainer for me. First of all, I was born in Pimville, so the course being here in Pimville, bragging rights. Secondly, because any NPO, any NPC that is changing lives, Ekasi and in other places as well, I will always support because, you know, charity begins at home.
Olu suku liye lwagqamisa umanyano kunye nokuzingca kwabadlali baseSoweto ngenkcubeko yabo engumangaliso kwezemidlalo. Kwaye lo msitho uza kuqhubeka ukhuthaza ulutsha ukuba lube inxalenye lo mdlalo. Ndinguthami Manganyo, iindaba zemidlalo kwiSoweto TV.